Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Bosch 300 series. Let's dive in.
Sounds good. First impression, the Philips is cheaper, listed at $799 while the Bosch is $972.49. Is the extra cost worth it?
Well, the Philips boasts 12 different coffee options, which is quite a lot. It also has this LatteGo system that promises silky smooth milk froth and super easy cleaning. Only 2 parts, no tubes.
That cleaning claim is appealing. The Bosch also focuses on milk froth, using something called a Milk Express in-cup frother. It sounds a little less integrated, like a separate nozzle you stick in your cup.
Yeah, the Philips LatteGo is built in. Another thing about the Philips, it has ceramic grinders that are supposed to last for 20,000 cups. Durability is a big plus.
Bosch doesn't specify a number of cups, but it also has ceramic grinders, which is good for consistent grinding and heat reduction. It also has a cup warmer, which the Philips seems to lack.
Ah, a cup warmer. Fancy. The Philips does let you customize aroma and volume, and even has an extra shot function for a stronger brew. How about customization on the Bosch?
The Bosch has 6 different strength levels and a double cup function, which is nice if you want 2 espressos at once, or just a bigger one. The Bosch also has an easy select LCD panel.
The Philips mentions an intuitive display too, so I guess both are easy to use. Size-wise, the Philips is a bit bigger, 15DX 10 inches WX 17H. The Bosch is 16.5 DX 9.75 WX 14.88H. So the Bosch is a bit deeper, but not as tall as the Philips.
Right, and the Bosch is also lighter, around 14.7 pounds compared to the Philips 18.6 pounds. And the Bosch comes with cleaning and descaling tablets and a water filter. Those are nice extras.
Okay, so to recap, the Philips is cheaper, offers more drink options, and has a super easy to clean milk system. But the Bosch has a cup warmer, includes cleaning supplies, and seems a bit more compact. I think it comes down to if you value the integrated milk system of the Philips, or the cup warmer and included accessories of the Bosch. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.